Kalimera! And today I have another Too Good To Go surprise bag to share with you. And this one is from the Adonis Greek supermarket. And as you know, I did live in Greece for about half a decade, so I am very excited to see what's in this one. Alrighty, we got some vegetarian pizzas, some burgos salad, and a couple of very big hummuses. So I am actually quite pleased with this because this cost us about $6, and so it's well worth it. Kalimera once again, and once again I have another Too Good To Go from Adonis Supermarket, and this time it's dairy, so let's see what we got. Jack wants to see, no he doesn't. Never mind. Okay, so this is what we scored, and it's actually a pretty good deal. So we got all of this for $14 because we actually got 2 dairy bags. And this year, all of these things are lactose free, so I can actually eat them. That is wonderful. But just for one of these yogurts, the regular price is $7.50. So for $14 for all of this is a pretty darn good deal. And then here are some instant breakfast smoothies and some regular Greek yogurt. But I am very excited to try these lactose-free options because I usually can't afford to get this kind of stuff. So I am super excited.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.